Hello and welcome to this short video. Over the next few moments, we'll show you how to configure and run the incident dashboard. Now this application has a dependency on another application in this suite, and that is Emergency Exposure Management. The relationship between the two is that the incident dashboard will visualize all of the incidents captured by the Emergency Exposure Management application. So make sure that you have this installed first prior to using the incident dashboard. So to get started, let's go to the App Store. On the left-hand side, we have a category for COVID-19, and I'll select the incident dashboard. Now, as you can see here, we have a short synopsis of the application. As we mentioned a moment ago, this visualizes the data in the Emergency Exposure Management application. And to add and deploy this to my tenant, I'll click Add. Okay, so let's select the application from the menu. And as you can see, this application is comprised of a number of forms. We have forms to log a new incident, update existing incidents, and all exposures, which is what your employees will see. Now we're going to want to restrict access to some of these forms. We don't want all users to be able to make updates or enter new incidents. So to do that, we'll use application permissions. Now some of you may not have set up AgilePoint previously, and as a result may not have application permissions enabled. So with that in mind, I've navigated over to the Settings module. There's an orange gear here for tenant settings. And what I want to do is scroll down to the section on application permissions. Ensure that this is switched to yes, click Save, and then we can continue. Alright, so let's lock down access to some of these forms here. So I'll select the application from the menu and click Permissions. Now our main concern here, as we mentioned, is to preclude users from going in and adding new incidents or modifying existing incidents. So what we'll do here, we'll navigate to Initiators tab, and we're going to restrict access to the bottom forms here. So what I'll do first, I'll select this form. I'll unselect Enable Access for all users. And optionally, I can give selective access to this form, either on a user or a group basis. Now I have an incident administrators group, so I'm going to add them and update that. And for your usage, I would follow the same process for the remaining forms. Okay, so now that we've deployed and secured this application, let's run it. So to do that, let's go back to the portal homepage and select the incident dashboard. Now as you can see here, this is visualizing the data from our Emergency Exposure Management application. And as you can see, in the last 2 weeks, we have 4 incidents logged. The majority of them are high priority with a single medium priority issue. And below, I can export all of the records. Okay, so that concludes the content for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.